Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back again. I am happy you are here. Today we learn a skill, a very powerful skill, a life-changing skill. Think in English daily. Think like native speakers. Let your mind stay open. Let your thoughts stay calm. Thinking is important. Thoughts make words. Words give you confidence. Confidence helps you flow. Clear thoughts guide you. Calm thoughts help you. So let's start the journey. Let's grow step by step. Focus on each small step. Let's train our minds. Take time to notice progress. Let's stay patient inside. Move forward gently. Enjoy the calm along the way. The first rule is simple. Stop using your language. Use English in your mind. Start noticing your thoughts carefully. Use English for thinking. Focus on easy ideas first. Use English for ideas. Use English for feelings. Try expressing small things clearly. Make English your habit. Make English your friend. Enjoy each small step. Say simple things. Use short sentences. Use easy words. Your mind will relax. Your English will rise. Your thoughts will open. Think like this. I wake up now. I wash my face. I drink my tea. I start my work. I feel good today. I am learning now. I enjoy this moment. I breathe in slowly. These lines are tiny, very small and clear. Your mind loves easily. Your English grows fast. Small lines bring clarity. Small lines build trust. The next rule is this. Speak inside your mind. Talk to yourself softly. Talk like a friend. Make your mind calm. Make your thoughts smooth. Let your voice stay kind. Let your heart stay light. Say things around you. Look at your room. Think like this. This room is bright. This air feels cool. My table is clean. My phone is here. My work starts soon. This space feels quiet. I feel safe here. Your mind hears all. Your mind remembers. Your mind learns fast. Each thought teaches you. Each moment helps you. The next rule is power. Use English for feelings. Say what you feel. Say what you think. Say what you want. Express your heart gently. Express your day clearly. Think like this. I feel happy now. I like this moment. I enjoy this time. I learn new things. I grow every day. I trust my progress. I am becoming better. These tiny lines help. They build confidence. Notice small wins every day. They build clarity. Focus on simple ideas first. They build fluency. Try speaking your thoughts clearly. They build strong focus. They build inner peace. Enjoy each small success. Let's go deeper now. Use English when walking. Notice small actions around you. Use English when cooking. Focus on simple steps while learning. Use English when waiting. Try thinking in English clearly. Use English when resting. Use English anywhere. Enjoy each little moment. Use English anytime. Think like this. I walk slowly now. I feel the wind. I hear the birds. I enjoy the sun. My steps feel light. I feel nature's peace. I breathe calm air. Feel the harmony. Feel the calm mind. Feel the soft flow. Feel your growth inside. The next rule is practice. Practice every moment. Notice small chances to improve. Practice in silence. Focus on the easy steps quietly. Peace practice. Try small actions with patience. Practice with joy. Take time to enjoy learning. Practice with trust. No pressure needed. No fear needed. No stress needed. Learning is gentle. Learning is natural. Learning is beautiful. Learning takes time. Learning brings change. Your mind learns daily. Notice small lessons every day. Your thoughts change. Focus on simple progress. Your flow increases. Try using English in small steps. Your confidence grows. Take time to trust yourself. Your English becomes clear. Your heart becomes strong. One step each day. Notice little progress along the way. One thought each day. Focus on simple ideas first. One sentence each day. Try speaking your thoughts clearly. One try every moment. Take time to enjoy small wins. One win at a time. Celebrate each tiny success. Soon you feel a change. Soon you feel growth. Soon you feel freedom. Soon you feel calm strength. English becomes easy. English becomes light. English becomes natural. English becomes normal. English becomes part of you. Your speaking changes. Notice small improvements in your voice. Your words sound smooth. Focus on clear and simple phrases. Your tone grows calm. Try using gentle words while speaking. Your mind stays clear. Take time to organize your thoughts. Your flow becomes steady. Celebrate each small success. Your voice becomes strong. Enjoy each moment of progress. Think like this daily. Notice your small thoughts carefully. Think with simple words. Focus on easy ideas first. Think in short lines. Try expressing your thoughts clearly. Think with peace inside. Take time to calm your mind. Think with an open heart. Think with a gentle mind. Enjoy every small idea. Make up your mind English. Notice small steps every day. Make your thoughts English. Focus on simple habits first. Make your life bilingual. Try using English in daily life. Make English a joy. Take time to enjoy little progress. Make English a habit. Celebrate each little step. This is your journey. Follow each step carefully. You walk this path. Notice your growth slowly. You grow each day. Take time to feel progress. You rise each day. You become fluent. You become confident. Enjoy your small victories. You become stronger. Thank you, my friends. I feel glad today. I feel proud of you. Keep learning always. Keep thinking in English. Keep growing strong. Keep moving forward. Keep shining every day. See you next time. Take care always. Stay happy, friends. Stay calm and peaceful. Stay focused and kind.